Missy.
That one's for Lizzie.
I have 3.
That's
You
for
open
Sammy.
it.
There's Sammy is.
3 more.
This one's for Lizzie.
Can we start opening this?
For Lizzie. And to Sam. So everybody got 3. It looks like.
Okay. Shirt on.
I don't know what you're saying.
After shirt. Leslie got the same shirt.
I don't know who that's from.
Leslie got the same shirt she already has.
Shh.
And maybe
She actually
Oh,
doesn't
the
have that shirt.
orange.
She ruined that shirt with paint.
That's orange shirt.
It is an orange shirt. How awesome is that?
Can I open that? Open first. I'm opening it. Mommy.
What'd you get? A sock puppy. To make?
Sock.
That's
Let's
awesome.
I got sock puppy.
What'd you get, Lizzie? Can you show Daddy what you got?
Smurfs.
What's in the other one?
Lippy. I love watching Lippy.
Cool.
I love watching Lippy.
No.
That's for Sam.
Yeah.
What is that? It says a window art decoration. How
Cool.
fun. You're going to have fun making all that stuff.
Oh,
Oh,
Lizzie.
Lizzie, what'd you get?
Mini with candy shirt.
Oh, how fun.
Mini with candy. That's a minute.
Those are presents from Cousin Nick. What'd you get, Lindley? Oh, a Hello Kitty. Is that a necklace? Looks like a necklace. And then a hat. Oh, how fun. It sparkles. Can you put it on? And then you can show Daddy your sparkle hat. Yeah, we might have to do that.
Neato.
Love it. You
Look at
guys
that.
look at Daddy's phone and say thank you, Cousin Nick.
Thank you, Nick.
Let's see what Sam got. You want to open that one? Can you open that one?
Yeah. Open it.
What did she get? Looks like an outfit with pants and a shirt and like a almost like a jacket. How pretty! With black and pink.
I'll open the last one.
Okay. What did she get, Lizzie? What is it?
Baby shirt. It's women.
A penguin. How fun!
Yeah.
And pants. Yeah. And what else? Yeah, she's a girl. Baby girl. Farm book. Touch and feel book. Hey, that's cool.
Open.
I'll open.
Mommy.
Oh, and she got her first camera. That is very cool.
It sings for her.
It sings. How fun. Oh, look. Show Daddy. Say thank you, Aunt Jen. From Samantha.
I'm Samantha.
How fun. Thank you.